of breastfeeding parents find that their letdown is powerful and forceful, almost like turning the water hose on the baby. And while some babies can weather that fast flow, others tend to choke on the sprays, and we want to prevent that from happening. So a few of my favorite tips are: 1, laid back breastfeeding, because it allows gravity to hold the milk back a little bit in the breast and puts your baby more in charge of the feeding, as well as having your baby somewhat upright, head here, bottom here, and so that way it's a little bit more ergonomically correct when they're trying to swallow. Another one of my favorite tips is the breast block, where you take your hand and press it on the top part of your breast as you're letting down, allowing the lower half to let down while the top part yields. And then once that lower half is done, letting go and allowing the top part to let down as well. And if you're finding that your baby is really struggling with your letdown, it's always helpful to have them checked for tongue or lip ties, because sometimes that can make a regular flow seem like Niagara Falls.